Right now, you and I are surrounded by the world's greatest achievement in knowledge management. Petabytes of data, instant retrieval, perfect preservation. But what if this entire system, this cathedral of efficiency, is built on one catastrophic misunderstanding? What if knowledge was never meant to be preserved? I want to tell you about a different kind of library. One that was never built, but grown. Its shelves aren't metal, they're roots. Its pages aren't paper, they're living skin. This is the Birch Bark Annals, and its first rule is this: knowledge must remember where it came from. Living skin. Imagine an archive where to read about an oak tree, you don't scan words, you feel bark. Where a text on winter isn't described. It's released into the air as the scent of frost and pine. We are now inside the archive. This is a responsive system. The information here doesn't wait for your query. It senses your approach. This is a responsive system. The information here doesn't wait for your query. It senses your approach. Touch the character for river, and your fingertips tingle with coolness. Open the tome on harvest, and the scent of apples and damp soil rises to meet you. And this library doesn't just know what you're reading, it knows when. Return to the same page on the winter solstice, and the text has deepened, its letters shadowed and profound. Return on midsummer, and those same words glow from within, as if backlit by the sun itself. This archive doesn't store data. It has a relationship with time. Now, you might think, this is beautiful fantasy, but my world is spreadsheets and algorithms. This is where we wake up. The Birch Bark Annals are a metaphor screaming at us. Our obsession with dead, static data is costing us wisdom. We're building perfect cemeteries for ideas and wondering why nothing grows. What if your next dashboard didn't just show numbers, but let you feel the momentum of your team? What if a climate model didn't just spit out graphs, but allowed you to smell the change in the air? We've outsourced cognition to machines that have no senses. The annals ask us to take it back, to build tools for feeling, knowing, and understanding, not just for calculating. This is the conversation I'm passionate about. Where does wisdom live in a digital age? I've explored the full story of these living archives, their creation, their rules, their startling implications, in a piece called The Library That Breathes.